Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming required components and grabbing a test file. Install Power Automate Desktop and enable the OCR runtime. Once done, choose a clear image or searchable PDF. Create a new flow and add the action that provides your input. For example, read PDF text or launch Excel to extract an embedded image. Make sure to set the file path and language options. These early selections determine accuracy and prevent backtracking later in the flow. Now configure the OCR action itself and explain why each option matters. Select the OCR engine and language to match your document. Once chosen, define a precise region of interest to reduce noise and speed processing. Add pre-processing steps, convert to grayscale, apply deskew, and boost contrast, because cleaner input yields far better text recognition. Also set timeout and confidence thresholds, so your flow can handle low-confidence results gracefully and can finish by parsing and storing OCR output and explain why verification is essential. Use rejects or split functions to extract structured data, then write to Excel, a database, or a CSV. Add error handling, retry the OCR, switch engines, or run a fallback parser if confidence is low. Test the entire flow with multiple samples and log confidence scores so you can spot patterns. If results are poor, revisit pre-processing and language settings as the single most effective troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.